Hello and welcome back to another tutorial video. This one is going to be episode 14 and I'm going to add some enemy skills, some more of them, because currently we only have one enemy skill, so let's do it. Also, thanks Scout Gaming 1981 for asking this question. So the first thing I'm going to do is going to go into the module and add another module script. This one is gonna be enemy skills, and let's copy all this. All right, and uh, yeah, let's delete all of this, and let's let's name the enemy A. No, I'm going to name this one basic enemy, and then I'm going to add a skill table here equals to table number one is it's gonna be another table, and I'm going to add something like skill equals to this one is gonna be skill type equals to attack skill probably equals to 50% of attack, and target equals to single. Alright, so that's probably it for some basic skill. But yeah, I should add a name for them too. Name equals to probably I'm gonna name it just a punch, and the second skill probably gonna be similar, but this time probably 75%. I'm gonna name it hook. Alright, after all the skill are done, I'm going to add another table named attack pattern equals to you could do a random. I'll do a random later, but for now let's do attack pattern something like 1. Yeah, let's do 1 equals to 1, and 2 equals to 1, 3 equals to 1, and then fourth the fourth attack they're gonna do a hook, and I'll try to make it keep repeating this pattern. Next thing, I'm going into the battle client. For that, I'm going to check the enemy's attacks. Okay, so it's 12. Then inside the play animation here, I'm going to, instead of doing this, I'm to add another if character dot parent equals to ally, then cut all this, and paste it in here. I missed one end down here. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to do is maybe just delete some of this, because it's kind of unnecessary to check if the parent their parent is ally now. So I'm just gonna get rid of that. Also in here and here. Okay, let's do that for now. And next thing, else if character dot parent equals to enemy, then we'll also copy all of this and paste it in here. Oh yeah, I also need to add anim inside the enemy skills module. Uh, Inside animation basic. There you go. Maybe I'll try to add another animation. So let's just cut that part out. Okay, so I think the animation like this is fine for now. Let's just save it. Oh yeah, don't forget to add uh, an animation event. Wait, show animation events. Add animation event here. I forgot what the animation event was. Okay, so it was damage. Let's go back to here and show it again. Damage. There we go. And save it. Publish it to Roblox. Attack 2. Save and copy this ID. Okay. So for the hook, I'm going to do any equals to this. Oh, wait. I gotta copy this to like that. You know what? I'm just gonna add another one here. Rename this one to one. Let's do this one as yeah, still one, and then I'm going to duplicate this one until we have enough for all the skills. Yeah, let's do that. And let's remove all this and only put else here. Let's skip the energy. Yeah, this one still keeps. Blah, blah, blah. Favorite name equals hosts. Remove. Okay, let's remove all this and of this too. Remove this and this. Yeah, remove all this and ultimate thing. Remove this if. I think that should do it for the enemy. Let me just remove all of these unnecessary parts. Inside the start panel and its script right here, I'm going to do enemy dot animations dot one uh, uh, one clone. We are going to need the local require. Oh no, local en skills equals to require replicate storage dot modules dot enemy skills. And then yeah, I'm going to need to add another value here, and it's gonna be a string value. It's gonna be named enemy type. This one is basic enemy. All of them will be basic enemy. And then after that, let's also copy the animation folder inside here. Remove some of them like that. Oh yeah, let's also add an integer value. This one is current attack, and also copy that to all others enemy, all other enemies. For the skills in pairs. No, I think it's not in pairs, but in enemies en skills dot, no, dot like this bracket right here, and then enemy dot config dot enemy type dot value dot skills. Okay, no s. Do if skills local new anim equals to enemy animation 1 clone. Anyways, uh let's do if z equals to 1, then enemy dot animations 1 dot animation id equals to skills dot anim else local new anim equals to animation 1 clone, and then new anim equals to skills dot anim. I forgot this animation ID right here. There we go. And let's also copy that and go inside replicate storage, the zone scripts, inside for I in enemy right here. Okay, I forgot to do a require. Let's also copy this and paste it inside here. Now that should do it. Instead of playing basic, I'm going to do local current attack equals to, oh wait, I think I'll need to do local en skill equals to require module folder enemy skills, and then down here current module equals to en skill enemy dot config dot enemy type dot value, then current attack is gonna be equals to current module dot skill module dot attack pattern, and enemy dot config dot current attack dot value. This one is gonna send enemy dot config dot current attack dot value. Alright, I'm going to change this one to 2 first, so to test if this works or not. Currently enemy damage is being randomized, so I think what I'm going to do is also send all the skill to in the enemy attack right here. Yeah, let's send the skill, and I think we're gonna skip this one. Now we're gonna still need the total damage, I think. Yeah, I'm still gonna keep the total damage. Here, another one. This one is gonna be called skill local damage equals to, no, let's just do local damage for now. And we're gonna need to also send the skill inside the enemy's play animation right here. And then crit module skill, yeah, it's the crit attack. Before that, let's print crit attack. Oh, okay, so I think I forgot to do this, but it have to be created a parent name. Okay, so after testing and ensuring that it actually sends the right thing, the next thing I'm going to do is use the skill right here. Uh, let's do local damage equals to enemy dot config. Oh wait, uh, local damage if skill dot skill type equals to attack, then we'll do damage equals to enemy dot config dot, I forgot what it is. Is it attack? Okay, so it's like this. Attack dot value times like this, and then times the skill dot skill. Okay, so let's try it again. I think I'm going to put all the enemies away and only use like one enemy. I haven't tested the game with one enemy before, so it still works fine, I guess. Boom, boom. Okay, 9 damage. Let me do some calculations. Whoops. It's okay. So the enemy have 12 attack, 100 times the times 75. Nice, exactly 9 damage. Now let's attack them. And now they're going to do still 9 damage. Huh. Okay, so something must be wrong here. It should oh yeah, I forgot, like right after the enemy attack. Yeah, let's do inside the update AV events. Let's do build dot tag parent hash. Let's put a hashtag. Let's put a hashtag before that also, and then update AV event if header dot parent dot name equals to enemy, then header dot config dot current attack dot value plus 1 if header dot config dot current attack dot value uh is more than yeah, let's add another thing right here. Max pattern more than the max pattern is more than the max pattern, then header dot config dot create. Yeah, let's do like that. Also, let's also put this right here. That should do it. I think we're going to need to add this here. If max pattern, so I found where it's wrong right here. So I think I've got to do local create module equals to in skill dot uh, enemy dot config enemy type dot value, and then like this. That should probably do it. No, it's not enemy.config, but it's gotta be character.config. Okay, so I think it's not like this, but put module scale. No, like more like this. Okay, so I think I found where it's wrong. Inside here, I forgot to also set the name. Let's do new anim dot name equals to skill, no more like z. Yeah, probably like that. I also forgot to set the new animation dot parent equals to enemy dot animations. That's right. It works just right. And now let's copy this and go into this zone script and paste it again. I also need to put all the enemies in here. And yeah, I think that's it for today's video. Thank you, thank you guys for watching, and thanks for 100 subscribers. I really appreciate it, and see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.